Hello, and welcome to today's session. In this session, we will focus on Learning Outcome 2, Understanding Recruitment and Selection Legislation in the UK. Specifically, we will explore what legally defines an employee. Under the Employment Rights Act 1996, an employee is anyone who works under a contract of employment. We will also examine essential aspects of employment law, including contracts, employee rights, and anti-discrimination regulations, which play a crucial role in fair recruitment and selection practices. By the end of this session, you will have a clearer understanding of how legislation shapes the employment relationship and protects both employers and employees. The Employment Rights Act defines an employee as someone under a contract of employment. This includes both express and implied contracts. Interestingly, even services through a limited company can qualify someone as an employee. This was established in the Catener and Cruisers Alt case. Understanding this definition is crucial for both employers and employees. Discrimination laws cover race, sex, and marital status. The Race Relations Act and the Sex Discrimination Act are key legislations. Discrimination occurs when one is treated unfavorably compared to others. The Shamoon case highlights the importance of fair treatment. Understanding discrimination laws helps prevent unfair practices. The Sex Discrimination Act covers both men and women. It includes unfair treatment due to pregnancy. Marital status discrimination is also addressed. Single persons, however, cannot make claims based on marital status. Knowing these details helps in understanding one's rights. If discrimination is proven, remedies include declarations and compensation. Recommendations may be made to employers. Compensation has no upper limit for sex or race discrimination. The tribunal can increase compensation for non-compliance. These remedies aim to ensure fair treatment. Unfair dismissal is a right protected by law. The W. Davis case illustrates this concept. There are 4 stages to assess unfair dismissal. Remedies include reinstatement, re-engagement, and compensation. Understanding these stages is crucial for both employers and employees. Following legislation in recruitment is vital. The National Audit Office highlights the cost of recruitment. Proper monitoring can prevent underestimating these costs. Specialist roles often require more expensive assessments. Ensuring the right fit is crucial to avoid additional costs. UK laws cover various discrimination aspects. The Sex, Race, and Disability Discrimination Acts are key. Equal pay is also addressed under these laws. New commissions aim to unify equality efforts. These laws ensure a fair and equal workplace. The Act covers discrimination on sex and marital status. It applies to employees and contractors alike. Discrimination is forbidden at all relationship stages. It includes post-employment acts like references. This ensures comprehensive protection for all workers. Sexual harassment is unwanted conduct violating dignity. It creates a hostile environment regardless of intent. The Act defines this clearly for the first time. Some discrimination forms are allowed if job-specific. This ensures clarity in workplace behavior expectations. Sexual discrimination includes direct and indirect forms. Victimization and positive discrimination are also covered. Remedies are available for victims. Understanding these types helps in identifying unfair practices. Legal knowledge empowers both employees and employers. Indirect discrimination involves unjustified practices. It affects certain groups disproportionately. The law now covers beyond written rules. Working mothers often face this issue. Recognizing indirect discrimination helps in creating fair policies. Victimization occurs when someone is penalized for complaints. Positive discrimination is generally unlawful. However, it is allowed in specific training scenarios. Understanding these nuances is vital. It ensures fairness in workplace dynamics. Claims can be made within 3 months of the act. No minimum service period is needed for claims. Compensation covers financial loss and emotional distress. There is no cap on damages. This ensures comprehensive redress for victims. Contracts are legally binding agreements. The Employment Rights Act defines an employee clearly. Contracts include both express and implied terms. They provide structure and clarity in employment relationships. Understanding contracts is essential for all parties involved. Express terms are stated in writing or verbally. They include organizational documents like handbooks. Implied terms are incorporated by custom or statute. They ensure fairness and clarity in employment. Knowing these terms helps in understanding contractual obligations. Employment contracts are similar to other contracts. They require offer, acceptance, and consideration. Intention to create a binding agreement is crucial. The law offers extra protection to employees. This ensures fairness in employment relationships. UK law recognizes 3 main employment statuses. These are employee, worker, and self-employed. Employment rights depend on the status. Various tests determine employment status. Understanding these types helps in identifying rights and obligations. Changing contract terms requires consent. Employees must agree to variations. Implied consent may occur if no protest is made. Significant changes without consent can lead to disputes. Understanding this helps in managing contractual relationships. Remedies include reinstatement and re-engagement. Compensation is categorized into basic and compensatory awards. Fault can reduce compensation. These remedies ensure fair treatment. Understanding them helps in navigating employment disputes. Contracts can be written or implied. Written particulars are a minimum requirement. Contracts may include terms from other documents. Senior employees often have detailed contracts. Understanding these mechanisms helps in forming clear agreements. In conclusion, employment laws safeguard the rights of both employers and employees, ensuring fairness in the workplace. Understanding these laws and contracts is essential for effectively managing employment relationships, empowering all parties involved. For further information, please WhatsApp us at 07,484,361,688 via UK Versity. Many thanks and see you soon.